Avoka Transact enables authorized business users and operations staff to publish and manage digital transactions and easily couple them to our pre-configured interaction patterns. Our click to deploy capability eliminates long release cycles. Designing your form is just the beginning. Once you publish it to Transaction Manager, you need to design the overall transaction flow. Let's take a look at our form in one of the Transaction Manager portals. This is a landing page which gives you information about the form you're about to fill in, including its name and other details such as how long it may take and what else you'll need. You'll also notice that there is an implied decision that this form can be used either by authenticated or unauthenticated users. Let's take a look at how we set up this landing page, as well as a whole lot of other decisions about how the overall transaction flows. This is the form's main dashboard page. Notice that there are two versions of the form and that it lives in the Finance Corporation portal. Let's look at some of the things we can configure. The flow configuration determines whether we have a landing page at all, how authentication and saving online works, whether there's a terms and conditions page, the way that the form is displayed, how form signatures work, confirmation pages, and certain other details of the form. If we actually want to configure the text that appears on any one of these pages, normally that comes through from organizational defaults, but we can go in and modify that explicitly by setting up the properties for this particular form, and there are a lot of properties that can be configured. We can manage multiple versions of each form and roll back if necessary. We can manage the life cycle of these versions. And we can even schedule a new version of a form to be automatically made current on a particular date. We can configure the attachments that need to be submitted as part of the form, including their types and sizes. We can alternately control this from within the form itself. We even perform virus checking on uploaded attachments. We can configure a large number of extension points within the form's lifecycle using a variety of techniques, including scripting and web services. These are generally pre-configured for the organization, but can be overridden for particular forms. We can fully control the pre-population of forms using a variety of techniques ranging from profile data to web services. This makes it easier for customers to complete their forms. We give you full control over data retention policies, ensuring that your customers' private data cannot be compromised. We allow you to easily migrate your forms and all their configuration information from a development server to a staging and then a production server by exporting from one server and then using the new form wizard to import on the other server. You've just seen some of Avoka Transact's many features. Check out our other feature videos for more details.